Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Copilot Studio to build AI chatbots. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Copilot Studio for building AI chatbots, first, ensure you have a valid Microsoft account. Log into your Microsoft account on your preferred web browser. Once logged in, navigate to the Copilot Studio website. Look for the Get Started button on the home page. Click the button to initiate the setup process. You may be prompted to select a subscription plan. Choose the plan that best fits your needs and click Next. Review the terms of service and privacy policy carefully. If you agree, check the acceptance box and proceed. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your subscription. After subscribing, return to the Copilot Studio homepage. Locate the Sign In button and click it. Enter your Microsoft account credentials to log in. Once logged in, you will see a dashboard with various options. Select Create a new chatbot to begin the process. You will be prompted to name your chatbot. Enter a unique name that reflects your chatbot's purpose. Next, choose the type of chatbot you want to create. Options may include customer service, informational, or promotional bots. Select the option that aligns with your goals. Now, customize your chatbot's personality and tone. Provide specific responses that reflect your brand's voice. After customization, proceed to the next step for integration settings. Choose the platforms where you want to deploy your chatbot. Options might include websites, mobile apps, or social media. Once your integrations are set, review your chatbot summary. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing. Click the Launch button to activate your chatbot. After launching, monitor performance in the Analytics section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.